Whoa. Hey, what's happening, guys? I don't know if you saw that, but my phone said I was disconnected. But just wanted to talk about some new stuff we got in today. Just as an enthusiast, some stuff that I was excited about. So, got the new Race Masters AFX Senna sets. So we are limited to how many we can get. So I only was able to get one for myself and then one for a customer that had pre-ordered it. But we're doing actually a video that's Sam's working on right now. We'll probably have uploaded later today. It's kind of like an unboxing of the entire set. So I will save you the repeat, and pretty much this video I'm just going to talk about the cars. So the main thing on the cars is they do have a red end bell on the motors, and some have said that that was a new motor, it's more powerful, and I just kind of wanted to share my take on it. So I did do some track testing, and I don't believe that it's a different motor. I believe it's the same motor. They also didn't change the controllers, which they would have definitely needed to change the controllers. If they made a more powerful motor for this, they would need to go back to a more traditional ohm controller. So I don't think that they did. I did run this car against this car, which these are both, they were actually released around the same time. It's virtually no speed difference. Honestly, this car probably ran a little bit better, which just means maybe it's, it's just a better car out of the package, which that can happen on any of the cars. This stuff's mass produced. But the main thing I did want to talk about, though, is how cool the bodies are. A lot of guys complained saying that the bodies didn't look to scale, and I actually really like them. So really good job. Shout out to Race Masters on the bodies. They look really, really good. I do think if you run these things much that you're probably going to break that rear wing off of there, which anybody that's been in this hobby for a long time, this one's probably a lot stronger just because of the way that the wing is mounted. But anybody that's been in this hobby for a long time, you know that you're going to break the wing off of your formula car. So I would say that that's not as much of a surprise. But yeah, pretty cool setup. The gear mesh on them is actually really good. There's not a ton of axle slop. Looks like they did go back to the traditional pinion with the full length tip, which is nice. Hopefully that is something that they continue to do. Just looking at the two of these cars real quick. Where's my glasses at? Comparing the new versus the old, it does appear that that is the same stuff. So, I mean, everything about it looks the same. My guess is that it's just a different motor supplier. They probably ran out of that first batch, which is great because that means that they were able to sell enough of these cars to go through an entire batch. My guess is that this is probably what all of the cars will have moving forward, but I do believe that it's the same spec. So if anybody, any reps from AFX or Race Masters happen to watch this, feel free to comment, correct me, whatever. But I think ultimately the consumers would love to know from you guys kind of what they are. So, but yeah, overall, super excited about these cars. I love how they look. They will be collectors. So the ones that I got set 48 and I got set 100 and something. The one I opened was 100 and something, but I'm sure that these are going to be ultra limited. The box is really, really cool. The front of the box could double as a really nice poster or wall art for any hardcore race fan. So I would be willing to bet that just F1 race fans in general will probably pick up this set. Whether or not they will use the cars, we don't know. I guess we might wait and see kind of if there's a bunch of, box sets or a bunch of track pieces that end up on eBay. That would be our way of knowing. But hopefully we get some more people in the hobby through this. Yeah, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, or if you have any questions about the new cars. Be happy to answer them. So hopefully you guys are having a great President's Day, and we'll see you on the next one.